Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix Discord picking up your game audio. Let's begin. First, open your Discord client, log into your account, and once you're here, I want you to click on the gear icon, which is your user settings. Then scroll down until you see voice and video under app settings. All right, left click on it. Over here, make sure you are on the voice tab. Mhm. Then in the input and output device, make sure to select the appropriate headphones that you are using. So you can click on the drop down to reveal more options because usually this is what happens. Your Discord detects another microphone or headset, and that's why it's not using the correct audio. Then you can scroll down over here. If you have input sensitivity, just make sure to tick it on and enable that. And then under video processing, make sure that you're under crisp or either standards. And lastly, scroll down until you see this section, bypass system audio input processing. So system audio processing may interfere with Discord's audio processing. Make sure this is absolutely and definitely enabled. Once done, Discord will automatically save those changes in your settings. And then that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Everything should now be working smoothly in your game audios. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.